Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-LINK TL-WA860RE. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-LINK TL-WA860RE is a Wi-Fi range extender designed to boost your existing wireless signal and eliminate dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, unbox your TP-LINK extender box. Inside the TP-LINK TL-WA860RE box, you'll find the Wi-Fi range extender unit itself, a quick installation guide for easy setup, and a warranty/support document. Everything you need to get started comes neatly packed without extra accessories. Now plug the TL-WA860RE into a wall socket near your Wi-Fi router, at least for setup. Wait until the power LED turns solid green, it means the extender is ready. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings, connect to the extender's network, by default named like TP-LINK_extender. This network is usually open, no password, during the first setup. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type http://tplinkrepeater.net or http://192.168.0.254. Press enter. The login page should appear. Enter the default login credentials. The username and password is admin. Click login. If it asks you to create a new password immediately, set a strong one and remember it. The quick setup will open automatically. If not, click quick setup in the menu. Choose range extender mode. This is the correct mode for extending Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find and select your home Wi-Fi network, SSID, from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password, make sure it's typed correctly, case sensitive. Click Next. You can keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router, good for seamless roaming, or give it a new name like MyWiFi_EXT so you can clearly see the extended network. Click Next. Review the summary page, it will show your original network and the new extended network. If everything looks correct, click Finish. The extender will save the settings and reboot. This takes about 30 to 60 seconds. After reboot, your phone/laptop will disconnect. Go back to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the new extended Wi-Fi name, or the same one if you kept it unchanged. Done. Your TL-WA860RE is now extending your Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.